And I'm going to skim over two parts. The first part being grid and layout. As you can find in the designer system, we have grids. Grids are important because it creates hierarchy and compositional layouts. If we scroll down here, you can read through the types of grids you can use depending on the use case. So if we look at a 1440 pixel artboard, we have a sidebar. This is the collapsed sidebar. And then we just have 12 column grids. I highly recommend reading through Swiss design. It's the godfather of grids and typography, so it's amazing. If you have the time, you can design layouts in minutes if you have a heavy understanding of Swiss design. This is not the be and end all. You can use other forms of grids. A lot of people mention not to use grids such as box grids like this, which I completely disagree. You can definitely use them, but it depends on your style, of course. Next, we have spacing. So within the system, we talk through different kinds of spacing and the average spacing to use within different elements on the website. If we look at this, we have hero, which is the heading to paragraph. We have some that mention medium, and a lot of people wonder why small is not included here, because we use medium as the average. So the middle ground is 16 pixel. This is the most commonly used spacing within websites. Any smaller than this, we just don't recommend it. So you'd use 16, 18, 24, or 32 with a hero text to paragraph text. That's a spacing in between both of those. 16 or 18 is very common. So these, you can go through these and figure out what suits your website best. But I hope this helps. Thanks.